So till now we have understood that HTML is a language for communication. Now the next question comes, where is this language used? And who communicates in this language? Now let's try to understand this by taking some examples. Now let's say that you want to eat an ice cream and you tell your father to bring one ice cream for you. So your father, he goes out, he searches for an ice cream shop, and then he reaches to one shop which is serving ice cream whenever somebody demands an ice cream from the shop. Now your father, he takes the ice cream from the shop and comes back and gives the ice cream to you. So this is the complete process. Okay, now let's move on to another example. Now you are a user and you want to watch a YouTube video. So you open your browser, which is Google Chrome, and then there you type youtube.com. So Google Chrome takes the information from you and it searches on the web that which server is having the information, and it goes to the server which is having the information. The server gives the information when requested by the browser, and then browser comes back with the content or the information and it gives back to you. So this case is exactly similar to the case when you wanted to eat an ice cream. So if we compare the cases here, we find that you wanted to eat an ice cream and you asked your father to bring one ice cream. So your father was searching for an ice cream shop. And in the same way, you want to watch a YouTube video and you have entered that in your browser, and your browser was searching for a web server which is having that information. So we can say that your father was an ice cream browser. Browser is someone or something that searches for a particular information or looks for a particular information. So your father was an ice cream browser, and here the Chrome is web browser. It is looking for a YouTube video. Now when your father was looking for ice cream, there was an ice cream server which was storing lots of ice creams and which was giving away ice creams whenever demanded, or which was serving ice creams whenever demanded. The shop was an ice cream server. Similarly, we have a data server or a web server which stores and gives data whenever demanded. So web servers are basically computers which have all the data stored in them, and they are connected to the web or internet, and they give the data whenever demanded. So they serve the data whenever demanded. That's why they are known as servers. So whenever we want to do anything on the internet, this is the complete process which is followed. So to summarize, it is the job of the browser to go to the server and get the information for you. So the server shares the data with the browser in HTML format, and all the videos and images and everything it shares in one folder. Now it is written in the HTML document how the information which is available in the folder will be shown to the user. So it is the job of the browser to understand that HTML coding and to convert that HTML coding into the normal page and show to the user in the way it is designed or it is intended to be shown to the user. So HTML language is used to communicate between the browser and the web server, and then between the browser and the user. Therefore, the communication in HTML language takes place in two stages, from server to web browser and from web browser to the user. So I hope the communication process and where this HTML language is used is clear to you. So this was all about this lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.